Oh my goodness, guys, can you see this classy hair? I made it with just 2 rows of Brazilian wool. If you want to know how to do this, keep on watching, don't skip anywhere. This is Jasmine Royal and we slay on a budget. I also want to thank my returning subscribers, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. This is the place where I will slay on a budget. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead to section my hair. So guys, make sure you don't skip this video. Make sure you watch to the end and learn this step-by-step guide, alright?
I met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you.
So I'm going to use rubber band to secure these parts, and please make sure it's not too tight on your scalp. Alright, I'm gonna allow you to enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, share, and let me know what you think in the comment section, okay?
The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else.
I'm going to cut out these parts now because this is the place I'm going to use to cover up the wall so it can come out natural as usual. So I'm going to cut around like this to the end.
White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So I'm going to go ahead to weave these parts. This place I'm weaving now is the place I'll be crocheting the wool. So after weaving like this, I'm going to crochet.
New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
I'm going to join this together with the one I'd already weaved, and then I'll keep on weaving. Keep joining them like that till you get to the end of the hair. So I'm going to use my crochet pin to hide in this particular place that is showing. Guys, this is the length I'll be using for this video. In my previous videos, I saw some people complain of how to comb the wool. It's not difficult. So firstly, I'm going to use this straightener to straighten this hair. Run it once or twice. Make sure to use low heat. This will make it easier to comb. Just follow this process and trust me, baby, you're gonna thank me later. And then I'm going to pick the tips so it can come out natural. Alright, I don't want it to be bulky at the tip. That is why I'm doing this. Make sure it's thoroughly combed. This is how it looks. This is real hair now. Okay. It's time to crochet. Please make sure to start from the base of the hair. Then you keep populating it till you get to the front. When you are populating this front, make sure there's no much space. Okay, it's time to cover up this with my natural hair, and then I'm going to comb thoroughly and make sure I detangle anything hanging around the hair. You can see it's coming out as planned. You can see it's coming out natural. Look at the back. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. This is so amazing. Like, you won't believe it's not my hair. I love this Brazilian wool because it gives me this African look, this beautiful look I'd always wanted. Now I have short hair, but we move. Okay, this is the front. You keep combing and detangling. I'm gonna stretch this place to make it blend. Look at the front. Are you seeing this? The hair is herring. Okay. So this is my baby hair, of course. You know how baby hair is important for this. Okay, come on. Are you seeing this hair? Alright, let's go ahead to style this in different ways. This is the ponytail style. I'm gonna come through. Are you seeing this? This is giving. This is wow. This is amazing. Are you just watching and have not subscribed to my channel? Please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. Oh my goodness. Come on, see this hair. This style is giving, like, wow, I'm just feeling myself. You don't have to break the bank to look beautiful, to look stunning. Are you seeing this? Look at the back looking so natural. So guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Bye, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. You're the best.